What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from KuCoin to Tangem wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is you need to copy or save your Tangem wallet address first. So that involves you choosing whichever crypto that you want to receive and the network that you'll be using for that. Now it's really important that you remember your network here, but once you've got that, let's go ahead and move over to KuCoin here. Now, in this case, at the top right here, you want to go ahead and hover over assets and you want to go ahead and click on overview. Now, under overview, we want to go ahead and scroll down a bit and look at your assets here. Now, in this section, you should be able to see the three-dotted option or icon here under more. So what you need to do is you just need to hover over it. And typically speaking, if you have enough funds in your account, you should see an option here that says deposit or withdraw. So in this case, you want to go and choose the withdraw option there. But in this case, this is what you'll be seeing here. So what we need to do is you want to go ahead and just select the appropriate details here. Like for example, if you want to send to a wallet address, which in this case, this is what we are doing since we got our address from Tangem wallet. So just enter the wallet address here and the network that you'll be using. Again, like what I said before, you need to make sure that the network actually matches when you're doing the transfer here. So if you don't match the network and if you enter the incorrect address here, you will lose access, or your assets here, or the crypto you're transferring will be lost forever. You won't be able to recover them. So again, make sure all information are correct and matches. But yeah, so in this case, you should be able to enter a few details here. So next is you want to go ahead and specify the amount. So if you scroll down a bit, this is where you'll be able to see the amount. And also you can specify if you want to add or use your funding wallet or your trading wallet here. Go ahead and add a check next to it if you want to use it. And if you want to add remarks or notes, you could go ahead and do that. But once you've added all the details, just click on withdraw that you see here, and it should give you the verification pop-up here, which in this case, just do that, and you should be able to make your transfer. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.